Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today. And that is for a Netflix Cross Unhide blanket. This is like the medium size. And here's like the little cover, or little Marsh blanket, but it's actually like medium. No fur, all chill. Here's the design. It's like red stripes. I have the small version of this one too. And I don't know what that is. But I have the small version of this one, and I ordered it with this Netflix blanket. It's the white one that just says chill on it. Here, I'll just try and spread it out here. It's hard to show here, but you can kind of get the idea. This is the white Netflix in Unhide blanket, and it just says chill in red. And you can see these little like black specks because I washed this and dried it with the small version. This is a small, with the small version of this red one. So don't do that. It's not like ruined. I mean, I guess, yeah, it kind of is ruined, but whatever. So just so you guys know, don't do that. If you get like more than one, if you do order these. But yeah, they're really soft. And this is just the big one. This is the like other side of it. Here's a tag. And then there's like a label on here. It's just like, it's like, oh wait, there should be. Oh, here it is. It's on all of them. Netflix Cross Unhide, no fur, all chill. It's kind of like sewed on there. So, and just in my experience with using the small red one, it sheds a lot. You can see it's already started to do that. So, anyway, you guys, that was my unboxing of the medium-sized Netflix Unhide blanket in the red stripes color. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.